Hello, today I'm going to show you how we're going to be collecting data for our electrostatics lab. I have uploaded the video to Video Physics. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click on Origin and Scale. I'm going to identify the scale by lining up my line on Video Physics with the meter stick. Then I'm also going to be moving my origin to the center of the balloon that's hanging. I'm going to go back to points at the top and I'm going to advance my video to right about the point where the balloons are going to begin to feel that electrostatic repulsion. And I'm going to move my circle to the center of the balloon. This is going to be my first data point and it's going to occur at 4 minutes and 37 seconds. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to advance my frame 7, 8 frames, and I'm going to record a second data point again at the center of my balloon, and I'm going to continue to do this for about 8 data points. But for this video, I'm just going to take 3 data points just to demonstrate what you're going to be doing here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to export your data by clicking on the top export button at the top, and you're going to be exporting the data file. You're going to be opening this in graphical analysis, and you are going to be taking out the raw data. So the raw data is found by clicking on this top box, and you're going to click on table. So what we're really interested in is this X column, and this is the displacement of the hanging balloon. We're going to be writing this down in our lab sheet here under time and force D. So this D that we're just measuring here is going to go here in the force. So our first data point is at 4 seconds and 4.37 seconds, and I get 1.279. So we get 4.3, and then we get 0.1279. 0.1279. So we're just going to copy down all 8 of our data points into our data table. Then what we're going to do is we're going to need to collect a second set of data. The second set of data is actually going to be this X variable here. And this is the balloon that's being brought towards the hanging balloon, that displacement there. So you're going to have to copy your video and re-put it into Video Physics. And I've already done this, so I'm just going to open up the same experiment. You're going to do origin and scale again. So I got the scale, I have the origin in the exact same location. I'm going to go to points. Now here's the difficult part here, is you're going to have to collect your first data point at the same position or the same time as your first data point for the first video. So our first data point was 4.3 seconds. So I'm going to advance it to 4.3 seconds. And then, I'm going to move my circle to the center of the orange balloon, and that's going to be my first data point that I collect. The next data point is at 4.705 seconds. So I'm going to advance it to 4.705. Oops, 4.705. And then I'm going to collect another data point at the center of the balloon. I'm also going to export this data into graphical analysis. And when we look at this raw data, we'll see that it's actually going to be negative. Now, when we look at the video or we look at what we're doing here, if our origin is the pink balloon, it should make sense to you that the orange balloon is in the negative direction compared to our origin. So that's why those numbers are coming out to be negative. So with this information that you've collected on graphical analysis, you should be able to plot the force versus the separation distance in Excel. If you have questions, please let me know.